Now we are in the output of the video. I just want to show you what actually you need to hear the difference between the loudest part and the softest part. So this video, right? This video, Mark and Ning talk maybe kind of loud. I just mute it first. This video, Mark and Ning talk kind of loud.
Yeah, big changes, isn't it? You know, last
the volume
Sunday
is
we're
pretty
in
loud.
the tab in level 3, and
now
we had
you
the
compare
regulation
with
less than 100 could meet, and then on Wednesday state of emergency, and then.
Good morning, everyone. This is Andrew.
And Andrew's volume is a bit softer.
Auckland on Saturday morning.
So what we did, we need to add a compressor to bring up the volume a bit.
It's been quite a challenging week, hasn't it?
Now you can hear that Andrew's volume a bit louder.
It's been a bit hard with some anxieties and some stress, but preparing for this message
compared to Mike's one.
Hi everybody.
Hello.
How you doing? So good to see you. Well, not physically, but somehow through technology.
Andrew's one.
Good morning, everyone. This is Andrew coming to you from Massey, West Auckland on Saturday morning.
That's with the compressor.
How's everyone going?
Without a compressor,
let's give a wave out to everybody. It's been
you can hear the volume a bit challenging
week, hasn't it? I know for me it's been
a
bit hard with
and
some anxiety,
with the compressors on,
stress, but preparing for this message has been great to just focus on God and try to know what God is saying.
Just put in mind that there's another thing that you need to do.
I trust that all of us will be inspired.
We had to adjust it to a certain level.
And commit this to God.
Thanks for watching.